Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be analyzing Usdjpy and I'll start on the monthly time frame. So what I'm about to do right now is to mark my levels. As you guys can see, this is the lowest low. Let me just change the color. So I'm going to mark this area right here. As you guys can see, we had resistance, we had 2 touches there, and then we had a breakout, and now I'm marking my highest high. So I'm going to change this color and make it blue so that I can see that this is my sensitive area. So like I said, this was the first touch. Actually, that was the second touch. And then the market went up and created another touch, of which it couldn't break the previous high, and then it went back down, and then it broke the previous high. So right now what I'm waiting for is a retest on that blue level. And then another thing that I see is that we have an inverse head and shoulders, so we'll be waiting for a retest there on the monthly time frame. So this gives me an indication that this is a bullish market. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm connecting my trend line from the first touch, second touch, and now we'll be waiting for the third touch of this trend line plus the breakout and retest of that blue level. So guys, let's move down to the weekly time frame. So I'm just gonna zoom in and see what this market has in store for me. So by me zooming in, I can literally see that we have an uptrend. So I'm just gonna connect my trend line. We have the first touch and the second touch. So as I'm busy analyzing the market, I can see that we have a zone right there. So it is resistance broken and turned into support, and yeah, we'll see what the current price will do. So let's move down to the daily time frame, and I'm just gonna zoom in. As I'm zooming in, I can literally see that we had a downtrend and then it is broken, and now we have an uptrend. I'm just gonna connect my trend line from this point to that point. I can see that we have 3 touches, and then we had a breakout and a small retest there. Because this is a daily time frame, obviously it will look a bit smaller, but on a smaller time frame it's a good retest. So I see that we do have a breakout and retest of that trend line, and an impulse and a correction. This entire move is just a correction. So I'm just going to remove all the trend lines from the daily time frame because I've seen that the structure has been broken. So now I have to work with the current market price. So now I've scaled down to the 4-hour time frame, and I see that we have a downtrend. Let me just connect my trend line. We have the first touch and a second touch there, and then we have a third touch, of which it had a little bit of a fake out, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna fix it and clone it. So right now we're on the 1-hour time frame, and I can clearly see that we have a trend within a trend, and now I'm anticipating the market to come back to this 4-hour time trend line, and then I'll start taking my cells from there. So now I want to mark my touches. We have the first touch there, and then we have the second touch right there. I won't necessarily count that one, but I think we do have a third touch right there, and then we have a fourth touch there. It's just that I didn't mark that one. So I'll be waiting for the fifth touch of trend line, and if I get a breakout, then I'll just wait for a retest and take my buys. But for now, this is what I'll be waiting for. So now guys, it's just a matter of waiting to see what the market does, and then we will react to what it does, right? So if you have found value and you've enjoyed this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give the video a huge thumbs up so that it can help and reach a lot of people, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Do comment down below and tell me what you want me to analyze next. Bye.